Okay, Rudy here. That's one of the ETFs that's not in the shoot your lights out camp, but a good diversifier is this food ETF. I like it. It's in that resource space. I was hoping it might pull back. It's done the break, consolidated, but I don't think it's going to pull back. If we go through the underlying stocks, so at Maribin, so they purchase, distribute, market industrial consumer goods, including farming. I think that's going up. Nutrien, including potash. Potash is having a bit of a run, starting. So they provide crop inputs and services. So that's done the break, the consolidation. I should just say a bit of a break there. Deere, so Deere and Co. They manufacture, distribute farm equipment. So they might still come down to here, but we're at the bottom. We're more at the bottom than the top. Corteva, seed and crop protection, same sort of story. Might want to come down here, but I think that'll be good support. Archer Daniel, so they're in the procurement, transportation, storage, processing, merchandising, agricultural commodities, ingredients, flavors and solutions. Anyway, they're forming a bit of a little bull flag here, so we've got support around here. So you can see we're sort of, the top ones are going and these bottom ones are, this is Kubota, so they're the so they make the machinery, the tractors and stuff, and water environmental systems, iron pipes, wastewater treatment. So that's got a beautiful declining wedge, a lovely one. So it's broken, come back, support. So this is the next level resistance. So I reckon that'll give that's a big, look at that big fat juicy. It's like what you call energy. This is getting squeezed. Lovely. Almost as lovely as a rounded bottom. Tyson Foods, multinational corporation, focused on processing, distributing meat and poultry products. So again, a bit of a sideways wedgie type pattern, but we're at the bottom rather than the top. Moz, so the largest potash mining operation globally. That just looks beautiful. It's come back, found support on the 20D moving average. That's worth just a buy in itself. And New Farm, so our local boy, develop, manufactures, sells crop protection. Now one could argue, I'll go to a monthly chart, 2000, the year 2000 was the last time this stock was down here. I can't say I really know why it got punished. If someone does, they can let me know. But that looks like a bit of a double bottom pattern there. So anyway, that's in the ETF. And if we look at food over VAS, so that's a nice rounded bottom. So it looks like even the old food ETF is going to outperform VAS. But I don't think this is the king over food, MVR over food. So you won't, but the point with this one is diversification. So, and it's hedged too. So there's no Aussie dollar issues there. Alright, that's the food ETF. Thanks for that. The rooster likes this. He just doesn't want to end up being it. So yeah.